Okay, good morning, guys. Here we go. This is what we're going to do today. Um, Everyone will be in Microsoft Office. And to get there, if you don't know how to get to Microsoft Office, you could go to the ecisd.us website and click on email. And what that will do is it will take you to your Microsoft Office 365. And you can click up here in the panel or just choose from the apps down here. All right, so here in the app drawer, we've got, today we're going to be focusing on Microsoft Word. These are all the apps that are in your Microsoft Office 365. And you can look through those. And we're going to go through each one today. You'll see what we're going to do. But we're going to focus today on Microsoft Word. So go ahead and open up Microsoft Word. And when you get there, it's very similar to Google Sheets. You can click on a new blank document, or it's also like Google Docs, I'm sorry. You can click on a new blank document. And when you open the new blank document, what you're going to see is that it's sort of similar to Google Docs. Okay, and one thing that right off the bat that I can see here is that you can expand the ribbon here. We call this the ribbon. And you can see better more of the options that we have here. So we've got, file. So file, you can save a document. We've got home. That's where you have everything here that you can make the text larger, center. This actually has a really cool thing where you can dictate, meaning that you can speak and it will type. Let's try that. I wonder if how that works. Let me allow my mic. Hello, everyone. How are you doing today? Period. Question mark, I mean. Oh, well. It fixed it. You get the point. So there's that. We have insert. You can insert things like pictures, tables, links, emojis, symbols. A lot of the symbols that we use almost all the time. And I'm still typing for some reason. How do I stop that? Well, we'll be testing it to see how it goes. You've got layout, so you can mess with your margins and all that. So let me go ahead and stop this dictation here. Okay, I guess that stopped it. And now, what you guys are going to do today, let me go ahead and highlight this and erase this. We're going to go into a split screen mode. All right. And then I will attach this document to your Google Classroom. If you open this and for some reason it's like this, instead of going side to side, use your little magnification tool up here to decrease it. And then you've got your Microsoft Word on one side and your and your PDF on the other. And here as well, you can zoom out. That way you can see your entire document. First thing you're going to do is give this thing a title. The same way we would give our documents a title in Google Docs, we're going to give this a title. And this one's going to be called Office 365 Apps. Okay, and right there's your title. So what you're going to do is right up here in the home, and I haven't used this in a while, but there should be where we can insert bullets. Let me find this real quick. It should be here in home. Right here under paragraph, we have bullets. Right here under bullets, and you can click this little down arrow, and we're just going with a regular standard bullet. And then we're going to go with Word, semicolon, double space. It's customary to do a double space after a colon. And then we're going to go, this app sets the standard for word processors and is available with Microsoft 365 for both business and premium, period. If users in your enterprise, we're in the ECISD enterprise, need to create documents, comma, this is the, okay. And so you get the point. We're going to go ahead and go there. And then after you're done with the last one, you're going to go ahead and hit enter. When you hit enter, it will automatically place a bullet. And lastly, do not forget to highlight the name of the app, and we're going to click on bold here. And you're just going to go through and define all these apps. You're basically going through and defining what these do. And once you're done, this is saved in the cloud, so you don't need to do anything. In fact, I'm going to go ahead and close it. Okay, and I'm going to go back to Word, which I'm already in, but I'm going to kind of refresh here. And you'll see right here is the one I just created, Office 365 apps. So you've got it there. There's no saving. It's all saved there in your cloud. And then just like in Google Docs, we have the share up here. So it's very similar. And then you're going to go ahead and type in my email address. Okay, and this will pop up. I'm assuming that's correct. It should be. If not, I'll let y'all know. And then right here under add message, right there, let's go ahead and put the period you're in. And before we send that though, before I do that, let's also title our document here, the period you're in. So it's going to be the period you're in, Office 365 apps. Let's give it that title. And then when we share it, and you put my email address in there, let's go ahead and put here the your period as well. Just to make sure that I get the period, and then what you're going to do is send it to me. You could also share the link, but I think this is a lot smoother and easier because you can just send it or copy the link. And sometimes when you guys send me something, I get the link or I get the document. This way you just send it and it's sent. Okay, so that's what you're going to do today, and it will be for a grade. Thank you.